riding the horses. Raise your face up, beloved, Jesus says. Raise your face up. Let the rain soak your face. It's time to be refreshed. So far back I realize Father's raising his face. I have to look. So is Jesus and Holy Spirit. Being refreshed with me. I don't think they necessarily need to be refreshed. But they're enjoying my refreshment with them. Because I am speaking my love to them silently. Little one, Father says, we are refreshed with you. We're refreshed in your love, your thanksgiving, your praise, your trust in us. We're refreshed by all of our little ones. Closeness with us. Walk with us. You're our family.